Hi, I'm Diann Prosser, wildlife research biologist at the USGS Eastern Ecological Science Center. I'm interested in working in these collaborative studies to study wild birds and how they're involved in the spread of avian influenza viruses or how they're impacted by them. So these gull species that are being tagged here in Rhode Island, there's not a lot of information that's pairing movement studies along with disease sampling. And that's really what we're interested in, is to get finer resolution information on how these birds might be affected by the virus if they're infected. These are interdisciplinary studies. Our samples go to other labs for analysis for both active infection as well as antibody response. So some of these species are not part of a national wildlife surveillance plan, and so any information that we can gather on these species is really important because we don't know much about how birds were exposed previously, which populations were, and how they might be recovering or be affected in their migratory movements. As we know, wild birds, particularly dabbling ducks, are the historic reservoirs for avian influenza viruses, but there's little known for some of these other water bird species, and that's why we're here working with other great university and state and federal partners, as well as international.